Ryokan Suiranrou in Kumamoto Prefecture, in an area called Hitoyoshi. And there's a onsen area called Hitoyoshi Onsen. And this is where Ryokan Suiranrou is located. Hitoyoshi Onsen was founded in 1910. That was when it was discovered. And in fact, this place is the one that found the hot spring source. And then from there, the onsen culture in this area started to flourish. So to the point where now there are over 50 onsen sources in the entire country. Not country, in Hitoyoshi Onsen, sorry. So this is the luxury Japanese Western room. You can see there's the typical yukata robe and the samoe and a basket when you go bathing. So this Suiranrou was founded in 1910, and there's 30 rooms. This is the luxury Japanese Western room, which has 86 square meters of living space. It's the highest category room in the property, of which there's 2 designated as the luxury Japanese Western room, with this one being one of them. So let me see. So 30 rooms, prolific onsen. There's 3 different types of onsen here, from different sources that they have pulled from on site. And so I don't know about all rooms, but first of all, not all rooms have onsen. So if that's a priority for you, then make sure you book a room with an onsen bath, of which obviously the highest category room, like this one, does have. And but even if you don't, there are several private onsens that you can rent, including one that is free of charge. So this is the Kuma River, Kumagawa, in Kumamoto. Looks like they're staying here. You can see the front grounds, the backgrounds actually, of Suiranrou. We'll get to the onsen bath in a second. Actually, you know what? Why don't I just enter from here? You can take a look at it. So you can see it's straight from the source, never recirculated, not treated with chlorine or anything like that. So it's a pure, authentic onsen. Oh, so they have a communal public bath. They have 2 that are gender-segregated communal baths. One in the basement floor, Mikage no Yu, which is the original bath that was created when they discovered the hot spring source in Hitoyoshi Onsen by this establishment. So that's still there. That one has a softer, it's a softer composition. It's softer on the skin. This one, as it says here, Tennen Onsen, so that means natural spring. It's piped straight in. And so anyway, so this one shares the same type of onsen as the communal bath, I believe. The main communal bath, and then the historic Mikage no Yu, which is also a gender-segregated communal bath. That one, I believe, is like that one is the softer onsen. And then there's a third one, Midori no Yu, which is also a private rental bath, where they charge, I think, 1,500 yen per use. for up to 15 minutes. So that one, actually, the onsen is called the Moor type, Moor in English. And that one has different mineral compositions because it actually comes from, it flows through tree trunks and different type of soil, which gives it a different composition, actually, as I said. So you can try different onsen here, which is nice. And so this is the luxury Japanese Western room. Oh, the other thing is, the default is, in the main cuisine is kaiseki Japanese, but you can book a plan with Italian dining. In fact, it's a casual dining, Italian dining. I think there's like pizza and pasta and different stuff like that. I heard it's pretty good, but that's not what we're here for this time. But especially if you stay for multiple days, this would not be a bad option. Staying at Ryokan Suiranrou, Hitoyoshi Onsen, Kumamoto, Japan. Hope you enjoyed.